Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in to my channel today. So today's video is going to be a review of this hair. A lot of you guys have been asking me via Instagram and other social media channels, what hair is this? So I wanted to do a quick review only because you guys have been asking and I looked for a review and didn't really see anything that was very detailed. So if you're interested in hearing more about this hair, keep on watching. First things first, this hair is the Sensational African Collection Pre-Looped Aruba Wave hair in 14-inch. I actually had this hair as a backup to something that I purchased on Amazon. It wasn't the same curl pattern, it wasn't the same hair, but because I purchased it Prime and the USPS service sucks, I just had backup hair because I was going on vacation, I needed my hair done, and I wanted to have crochet braids for my birthday. I purchased this at my beauty supply store that I usually go to by my job. It was $6.99 plus tax. If I do find it cheaper online or a package deal online, I'll definitely leave it in the description box below. Since I'm used to purchasing like regular braid hair and not crochet hair so much, I purchased 6 packs of hair. I only used 3. You guys can see it's a lot of hair and I only took 3. The colors that I got were 1B30 and the color 1. So I used 2 packs of the 1B30 and 1 pack of the color 1. The reason why I got the color 1 and 1B30 is because they didn't have the color 1B at the beauty supply store that I had, and I really needed the hair, and the 1 and the 1B weren't that much of a difference, so it worked out for me. If you're picky about the color that you get, just get what you get. I didn't want to not have hair at the end of the day, so I just got the 1 and the 1B30, and it came out nice if you ask me. These are pre-loops, so it was super easy to do, so that was a plus. She initially did 2.5 packs, but I did see some spaces on the top, so I just filled in the rest. As far as maintenance goes, when I first install any crochet hair, unless it's really like a twist out or a braid out or something, if it's like a curly style, I'll usually put some mousse on it, and just so it could get that shine and define the curl, and I can get that shed hair off. Again, I went on vacation. I did this style a week before I went away, or 6 days rather before I went away. I know a lot of people, they don't like to get their hair freshly crocheted as they're going on vacation. I have no preference. I've done it in Curacao, I've done it in Thailand, I've done it this time. I've never had a problem. My sisters don't braid tight, so I don't have a problem with that. I did get it wet. I went on vacation from a Thursday through Sunday. If you guys don't know, I went to Turks and Caicos, and it was very, very hot. It was in the 80s, so, but I did not, like, you know, when you wear hair or have a wig or anything on, like your head is hot, like your scalp is sweating. I did not feel that at all, and plus I was like in the pool water or in the beach water a lot, so I was cool. Obviously I washed my hair. I did not use any of my personal shampoo. I used shampoo from the hotel, well, the resort rather. So I just got into my scalp and just cleaned off my hair, cleaned the chlorine off or cleaned the sand and the salt water off, and it dries super fast. I got drip every once in a while, but it dried really quickly and I was fine. It has tangled, but that is normal when you're doing crochet hair. I don't know if you can see it, but these are the tangles. This is week 3. I don't plan on wearing this for longer than maybe about a week or a week and a half. I'm probably going to take it out next week. Most of the time I'll wear it like this. I might move the parts around here and there. I'll put it in a low ponytail, or when I'm going to sleep I'll put it up in a pineapple. I'll wear it in a pineapple like this. I'll use a woogie to put my hair in one, and then I'll put my bonnet on top of it. It does shed. I've been known to just pull out hair throughout the day. I recommend it for vacation, but if you don't like the tangles or the constant shedding, it might not be for you, but it was perfectly fine for me. I haven't used this curl pattern before, and I haven't used Sensationnel hair before. I use Free Trust Bohemian Curl, and I do prefer that more than this, but this is what they had available at the beauty supply store, and this was pre-looped. And being pre-looped helped me out a lot because I was limited with time. I did not want to spend all night doing my hair, and this took like 2 hours, 2.5 hours, if that much. The positives are it dries very fast, quick install, and you'll get a good amount of compliments. The cons that I have about it is the shedding and the tangling. It's only 3 weeks and it tangles a lot. I think I'm going to be doing a video on how I take down my protector style. So if you want to see that video, definitely leave it in the comment section and let me know. I have seen the demand for natural hair content on this channel as well as on social media, so I'll definitely try to incorporate more natural hair videos as I did on my previous platform. I know some of you guys followed me over it, and it's like, oh girl, all you have is traveling stuff. So I'm gonna bring back some more natural hair tutorials for you guys so you can get reviews and hairstyles. So let me know what you want to see in the comments. If you're not already, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so that you're notified of my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.